It's okay, puppers. It's okay. Relax. Relax. I know, puppers. Tell everyone you say hi and thank you. Let them know you're feeling better, even though we just happened to get Lola at a time of hacking. She's actually feeling much better. She's just having a little bit of a cough attack. It's okay, baby girl. It's okay. I know it's scary. You're okay. Relax. Relax. It's okay. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, we're going to share some other videos too that are not in the middle of coughing. Well, we just wanted to have a moment of an update